Certainly has been a very hot past couple of days here in the Northeast, and we do have more heat advisories in a few locations, but not quite as hot and not as widespread as it has been. Marginal severe threat also taking over parts of northern Virginia, so we'll be tracking that, of course. Yesterday we did have a few wind damage reports as that boundary slid south from the northern New England states into portions of New York and also into northwestern Pennsylvania. A few areas of locally heavy rain, but nothing really all that impressive. The temperatures were the more impressive part, though. We had a record high in Burlington, 97. Boston at a record high of 98, 95 in Philly, and D.C. up to 94. Temperatures a good 10 to almost 20 degrees above average. You factor in the dew points, and we had feels like temperatures that were well into the 100s, so dangerous levels of heat. We still have heat advisories for those orange-shaded counties. Again, feeling more like the 90s and even triple digits once you head down to D.C. and Virginia Beach. And then there is a marginal threat of severe weather late this afternoon. Turns into just a general thunderstorm threat on Friday and Saturday, with the exception of places in the far northern New England states. So again, really watching the severe threat develop this afternoon, an isolated large hail or damaging wind concern, and we'll see more isolated thunderstorms into Friday and Saturday. So a little bit heavier rain as you get into the mid-Atlantic states, closer to Philly and the Delmarva Peninsula, but definitely drier as you head farther north. And temperatures today farther north will be much cooler.